Hello students, today we are going to learn MS Excel. MS Excel is coming under a family named as spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a computer application for organization, analysis and storage of data in a tabular form. Spreadsheets were developed as computerized analogs of paper accounting worksheets. The program operates on data entered in cells of a table. Each cell may contain either numeric or text data. Example of spreadsheet Lotus 123 Excel. MS Excel is a spreadsheet software that is used for storing, organizing and manipulating data in rows and columns. It also performs complex mathematical calculation. MS Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, Macintosh, Android and iOS operating system. Basic operations. MS Excel has a basic feature of all spreadsheet using a grid of cells arranged in numbered rows and letter named columns to organize data manipulation like arithmetic operations. How to start Excel? Step 1. Type Excel in search box. Click on Excel. Step 2. Click on Start button. Click on MS Office. Click on Excel. Basic components of Excel window. Now in number 1 you can see Book 1. Book 1 is a default name when you are opening Excel. Now when you save this file with your own personalized name, the name from book 1 will be changed to your given name. It is also known as a title bar because it is showing the title of your file. 2. It is known as ribbon. It shows tools and the tabs. Number 3. Left hand side it is showing the address bar. Right hand side where it is written FX, it is a formula bar. 4. It is a cell. 5. It is sheet 1. 6. It is status bar. Collection of cells creates sheets. Collection of sheets create workbook. We can have n number of worksheets in a workbook. Now in this page I have explained all the components which we have numbered in the previous page. Please read it. Shortcut keys page 1 and shortcut keys page 2. These are some of the basic shortcut keys which you have to use, you have to remember and you have to use it in Excel. Formula and functions. Formulas. In Excel, a formula is an expression that operates on values in a range of cell or a cell. Formula always starts with a equal to sign. Example, equal to A plus, equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3. Now here A1 are the reference where data is written. Elements of formula. References. A cell or a range of cell that we want to use in our calculation. Operators, symbol, plus, minus, multiplication, etc. that specify the calculation to be performed. Constant, number or text value that do not changes. Functions, predefined formulas in Excel. Cell reference. A cell reference refers to a cell or a range of cell on a worksheet and can be used in a formula. Operators. An operators in Excel is a symbol that tells the Excel to perform a specific operation. Operators are symbols used in a formula to define the relationship between two or more cells reference or between two or more values. We are having some of the things. Please read it and try to understand it. References. References. A cell references refers to a cell or a range of cells on a worksheet and can be used in a formula so that Microsoft Office can find the values or data that we want that formula to calculate. Example of cell references, please read it. Types of references: relative references, absolute references, mixed references. Relative references. A relative references is a value. A relative cell references in a formula is based on a relative position of the cell that contains the formula and the reference cell. If the position of a formula changes to another cell, the reference also changes. Absolute references. Absolute reference starts with $sign before the column number and before the row number. If the position of a formula changes to another cell, the reference doesn't change. Please find the difference between these two. Relative reference, the reference changes. In absolute reference, the reference doesn't changes. Mixed reference. A mixed reference has either an absolute column or a relative column, or absolute column or relative text formula. A text formula or text value is a sequence of characters on which we cannot perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Joining two strings is called concatenations. Formula errors. These are some of the errors which you have to understand, and these are very frequent errors which we see in Excel. Functions in Excel. Functions are defined as built-in formula that are used to perform calculations or to return information about the spreadsheet data. Functions are organized into categorized such as text, logical and maths. Rules for writing a function. A function should begin with equal to sign followed by function name. A function name can be written in upper or lower case. Arguments should be enclosed within parentheses. Parentheses are brackets. No blank space should be between equal to symbol, function name and arguments. If there is more than one argument in a function, a comma should be used to separate arguments. Some common functions. The auto sum feature is used not only to find the sum of given number but also find some frequent used functions. These are predefined functions which you can find in a ribbon. Now I have written the function name and its purpose, that is sum, average, max, min and count. Sum is used to calculate the numbers, average to find the average or find the percentage, max, min to find the highest or the lowest value, count display the count of cell only when the cell is having the numeric data. If the cell is having alphabet or space, it won't count those cells. I hope you have understood the theoretical part of Excel. In the next class, we will do some of the practical part where I'll show you how we can use functions and other things in Excel. Thank you.